Hello everyone, this is Dipti from Prayanaths. In today's video, I will be flipping through my next journal in the Kids series. So this one I have made for a girl who is a 9 plus. Keeping all her areas of interest in mind, I made this one. So let's begin with the flip through. The cover is made of fabric where I have added this handmade flower onto an elastic. The front cover has a pocket with a double tag, so this can be used to make some notes regarding this journal or writing the purpose of this journal. The first page has a photo pocket which I have secured with some washi tapes on both the sides. So I have already inserted a photo which can be removed. You might have to fidget a little bit to remove this pic. The first page then goes for the daddy, where I have added some decorated tag and a plain tag which has some writing space at the back. So this pocket comes from a scrap shirt. The next page is for the mom, where I made this pocket using a leaf cutout from a sari. So likewise there are some cues for the child on each page of the journal. I have used all different types of scrapbook paper to make this journal. Since the girl was very fond of pets, so I have made this page using this theme. So this is a flip down booklet which has some plain tags in this pocket, so you can decorate them further. On the inside there is this booklet with a pocket where I have already inserted a pic. So this booklet can be used to write something about the pet. So this is a very thin one which easily fits inside this pocket. It also has this journaling tag which has some writing space at the back. So this pocket I have made using an image cut out from the newspaper. This is embellished paper clip which can be used as a tuck spot. This is again pocket from a book page where I have added a pic and some tags which also can be decorated as per your choice. So likewise, moving further, these are all different kinds of scrapbook paper. This is again a pocket where I have inserted some pics. You can always add some more. This is the middle of the signature where I have used a small heart charm to add some extra beauty to this journal. One more pocket to add some stuff. This is a corner hugger where I have inserted this plain tag which can be decorated from the front, and the back can be used as a writing space. This is again a pocket where I have inserted this journaling tag with some writing space at the back. One more pocket which I have made using some waste plastic packaging, and I have decorated with this with some tissue. One more pocket to add some stuff. This is again a plain tag with some writing space at the back, so you can always decorate the front as per your choice. Again some different kinds of scrapbook paper. This is a flip down envelope which has some writing space on the inside. So here we come to the end of the journal. So some of the pages in this journal do not have any cue, so you can always add something of your choice. The front cover, which had this elastic band, can also be used as a closure for this journal, something like this. So this is how the journal looks. Please let me know your views in the comments below. I would really appreciate your feedback. Thank you for being with me. Have a nice day. Bye.